Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming availability and realistic speeds for your home. Use address lookup or call providers. Next, compare plans side by side for upload/download, data caps, and total monthly cost, because advertised speed rarely equals real-world throughput. Once you shortlist providers, check contract terms, setup fees, and required hardware, this saves surprises. Prepare your documents, ID, proof of address, and payment details so you can order immediately and schedule installation without delays. You place the order and decide whether to buy your own modem/router or rent one. Buying often saves money long-term, but confirm compatibility. Once ordered, select an installation date and an afternoon time window that you can attend, because technicians sometimes need interior access. If you opt for professional install, clarify where wiring will run and which outlet to use. If self-install, track the device shipment and download the ISB setup app or guides so you can proceed smoothly on arrival. You install the modem and router following the ISB or manufacturer guide. Connect coax/Ethernet and power in the correct sequence, then register the device if required. Once done, run a speed test wired and wireless to confirm you get promised throughput, and walk the home to check Wi-Fi coverage. Reposition the router or add an extender if needed. If connectivity problems persist, inspect LED indicators and cable seating, reboot equipment, and then contact the ISB with diagnostics. This single reset fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.